A cryptocurrency, or crypto, is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange. Here, each individual coin ownership records are stored in a ledger existing in a form of a computerized database. Cryptocurrencies use strong cryptography to secure transaction records, to control the creation of additional coins, and to verify the transfer of coin ownership. Cryptocurrencies typically use decentralized control as opposed to a central bank digital currency. It typically does not exist in physical form, like paper money, and is typically not issued by a central authority. There are over 6,000 cryptocurrencies, and the number keeps on increasing every day. Some of the popular cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Ripple, Binance Coin, Litecoin, and many more. Although Bitcoins have recently got support from mark investors like Elon Musk, and a lot of giant companies have accepted cryptocurrencies, they have some challenges to fight with. Do you want to know more about cryptocurrencies? Let us know in the comments below.